Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you ready to make your home smell fresh and clean? You will if you use these awesome soy wax melts. These are from Kermode, and I'm really enjoying being able to have these beautiful fresh scents in my home. This comes with a beautiful set of 6 different varieties. They're all completely made out of soy, and they all have a fresh, beautiful scent. An example is the Love at First Sight, the Sea Salt Oasis. They even have an Afternoon Zen. All of them have a fresh, clean, and beautiful bright smell to them. The soy wax is really easy to pop out of the really sturdy plastic packaging, and once you start burning it, you'll find that they burn slowly, they burn evenly, and the scent lingers for some time. You can definitely reuse each of these generously sized cubes, and what I like to do is I'll save an older one, use a new one, save that one, and then even combine them, and they work just as well, so that I really feel like I'm getting a value and a lot of reuse out of all of the melts. I really appreciate these because sometimes in the past when I've had them, they're really difficult to get out of my holder, but because these are made out of soy, they very easily come out and I can easily switch them to the next scent. If you're looking to add in some bright, fresh scents into your home, try these out. You will not be disappointed. But that's just my point of view.